Use of can. Ability. Can you run? Can you run? He can speak 2 languages. He can speak 2 languages. Can you read this? Can you read this? Permission. Can I use your pen? Can I use your pen? You can park the car here. You can park the car here. Can I open the window? Can I open the window? Request. Can you try? Can you try? Can I close the door? Can I close the door? Can you help me? Can you help me? Possibility. Smoking can cause cancer. Smoking can cause cancer. Offer. Can I help you? Can I help you? You can go instead of me. You can go instead of me. Can I carry something for you? Can I carry something for you? I am finishing the video here today. Hope this class will help you a lot in learning English. The only easy way to learn English is to practice every day. It is not possible to speak English without practice. Like or comment if you like the video and share the video with your friends if you can. Stay well and keep learning English with me.